As we cover your health tonight, the measles outbreak across America continues to grow, with new cases now being reported in Hawaii. And as of tonight, the U.S. has more than double the number of measles cases it saw in all of last year.
And now America's top health official, a long skeptic of vaccines, is changing his tune. News 15's medical editor, Dr. John Lepre, has a closer look.
The MMR vaccine has had its share of skeptics, but experts agree it's the best prevention for measles. In a recent CBS interview, Secretary RFK Jr. spoke out in favor of the MMR vaccine. He stated it's both the federal government and his position that people should get the measles vaccine. But he wants to make sure we have good science so people can make an informed choice. Now, the MMR vaccine has had its share of skeptics, so an endorsement by RFK Jr. is newsworthy. But how did it get this way? Let's go back to the 1990s. An updated MMR vaccine greatly reduced measles activity. Then in 1998, GI Dr. Andrew Wakefield published an article suggesting a link between the MMR vaccination, bowel inflammation, and autism. However, investigation over the next 5 years found he altered patient data to fit this conclusion and acted dishonestly, irresponsibly, with callous disregard. Since then, no other independent study could reproduce these results. This paper was retracted 12 years later in 2010. But that's a lot of time to spread misinformation and create doubt. Vaccination rates dropped, and we saw a rise in measles. Currently, 38 states are below vaccination threshold for herd immunity. And so far this year, of the 607 cases, 97% were unvaccinated, as were the 3 deaths. Secretary RFK Jr. is speaking in favor of the MMR vaccine. And being up to date is your best prevention for the measles. Reporting on your health, Dr. John Lepre, News 15.